today we're playing Extreme Car Racing, and this was a game what someone commented in one of my videos. His name is Wise Guy. So if you have a game what you want me to play, comment. I already have 2 other people who requested videos, and I have to make a video. Well, I don't have to, but I'm making a video for them. And don't mind me, I have the hiccups, so you will hear hiccups in the background. But let's push live now. And this mode, I guess. We don't even have the other modes equipped. So let's go racing. So, and leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Okay. Oh, this is an ad. I don't want to get that. Okay, we're loading into our first game. Okay. That. Huh? I think. Okay then. Right! How am I meant to do this? Okay. Jesus. What the heck? Where am I meant to be going? Am I just driving around the city? Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's where I'm meant to go. I meant to be doing something. I guess I did have to get used to the game. Let's go. Okay, through the undercave. 190. We're at the airport. Oh, we have to. Oh no, we don't have to board a plane. Welcome to the airport. Yikes. Backing up. This way. This way. I said this way. Switch my ways. Now, where am I meant to be going? Oh, wait, there's a prison. Now, not like the payment. Nah, and I do not want to watch an ad. Oh! But I might have broken to the airport. I'm meant to be going over there. Move out of my way. I need to get to the airport. Squeeze! Okay. Move out of my way. Yikes. Okay. Backing up. Go more forward and turn. Is this a racetrack or anything? Yikes. Whee! Okay. And I have to hit a ramp. Okay. Welcome to the So if you guys do want me to make a video, just comment a game idea in the comments. I will make a video on it. Get that beacon thing. Die! Oh gosh. What am I doing? I flipped the car. Move out of my way, hair stack. Don't mess up. Okay, and right to there. This way. Oh, wait. I meant to be going into the garage. Huh? And what happened? Oh, what the heck? Extreme color driving. Right. Okay then. Okay. 70 meters. In. I made it. Okay, we made it. Yay, the garage. I have made it to the garage. Tap to skip, okay. Now what am I meant? Oh, okay, this isn't that good. Come on. Now what? Am I gonna go back to the main screen? Okay, let's go. Loading. Are you kidding me? What took so long loading to kick me off the game? Ooh, loading. Okay, we're back. Now what does it want us to do? Is it going to make us go through a mission again? Oh, wait. We have the garage and come back. Let's go drive now. Traffic mode. Well, I guess we're going into the city. So this is like free play kind of. So this is kind of like a free play mode, I guess. Like those missions, drive around the city. And there's something that we have to do over here. Sorry. I didn't mean to harm you. We have to get into this garage here. Back up a bit. Straighten yourself. And... no. Okay, we made it. Garage. Tap to skip. And we are going through a load again. Oh. Wait. This isn't bad. I want a new color now. Wheel color. Wheel design. Ooh. You know what? I'll watch one ad for it. And you guys, so you guys don't have to bother with it. Oh, you know. Well, maybe we will play this game one day. We might make a video on this game. And please comment in the comments below a game we can play. War robots. Yay, we got the red color. Ooh, there's colors we can get? Nah, I like this. Okay. And let's go back to driving. I like our new color. Red, not gray anymore. This is better. Oh! This is insane. Whack. Wait, did I just see a ram? I just saw a ram. I swear I just saw a ram. are we meant to be going? Okay. What's this do? Ah! What in the world's going on? My gosh! Oh, what? Now I am the toad. Ah, boom. I want to go back to where I was. I can't control this. Oh my gosh, what just happened? I think I might do it like this. Wait. Ah, oh my gosh. Yikes. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Is that a close flip? How do I spin it? Oh, there. Let's go back. I'm gonna go back to like this. Wait, let's go over this ramp. No, don't flip. Oh my gosh. No! Oh, I'm gonna crash into that red curve. Let's go. Oh, wait, I got the next curve. Yeah, I think we need to go equip the curve. The curve. Let's go equip the new curve. I know I want to stay with this curve, but unlock. Ooh, I like this curve. I actually like that one more, but I'll use the new one. Radar, maybe radar. Customize. Let's see what I can custom on it. Oh, I would like that, but I can't. I do have the red. I'm not wasting our time in watching a video. Let's just go drive now. And let's go drive. And you know what? No, not this. Not that. And they're perfect. I don't even know what I'm doing. To crash into the purple car. Oh, come on, I missed it. Yikes. Oh, come on. Crash into the tree. Oh, oh my gosh. Flip. What the heck? Flip it. What the heck is going on? Hoi! Turn. I see a ramp. Ooh. Oh, okay. Twist. Yikes. Wee. Go over this one. Wee. Am I still in the air? That was a big one. This game's actually not bad. I might play this off camera. So you guys do comment a game idea. I have got 3 people have commented. And Wise Guy, the person who commented this game was Wise Guy. There was 2 games that had the exact same title, so this might not be the right one, but they both had the exact same title. I hope this is the right one at least. Whee! Oh, yeah! Yikes! Oh my gosh! Holy smokes! Whee! And the big. Oh, come on! I missed. No! I don't want to go in the garage. I missed. That was a miss. I did not mean to go in the garage. I didn't even mean to go in the garage. I just flipped right in. No, I never even meant to come in. Ooh, what's this? That's not bad. Look at that thing. I have to drive different distances to get different cars. That is sick. Holy smokes, I want that. Geico's already my favorite, but let's use the new one. Drive now. No, I would not like to buy any of your stuff. Okay. I want to do it. Let's go. Ooh. Okay, let's go for the big jump. Let's go for the big... Oh! Oh, gosh. No, one more time. Okay, there. Yoink! Oh-wee! Oh-wee! Okay, big one. That was a big one. That was a big one. Okay. Wow! Is that a normal code trying to compete with me? Get out of here! Where did it go? Oh, I want to go over that again. I have no idea where it went. Okay, wait, where is it? It's right there. Okay, that was a weird landing. Oh, here's another one. Here's another one. Oh my gosh. Did I make... Oh, I just missed. Oh, I went over the building. Yeah. Wee. Slow. Go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight. Hey. Oh, get back over here. Oops. Behind. Get over here. Get over here. Yikes. Whoa. You know what? We're going to end the video when we get the new car. Right. Over the next hill we go. Over the next hill. Over the next hill. Over this hill. Die. Okay, over. Go. Get that big hill. That big one. I like going over that one, but not this one. That one just was weird. Wait, what happens if I go up the opposite way of it? Okay, and whee! Okay, we're gonna try to make it. No! That was a mess up. That was a really big mess up. Let's go. Oh my gosh! I can't even control myself. Whee! And... Oh, come on, Inad.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to let you know about this new app that I discovered called Misplay. So basically what it does
Can I
is
skip
it
you
recommends
already?
games depending on your tastes, and all you have to do is pick a game, play it, and the longer you play, the more points you
Oh,
earn.
I can
and then
skip.
you can use those
I don't
points.
want to watch it. Skip. Oh my gosh. Yeah, let's go into the garage. Let me in. So you guys, leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. And I think I might end it there. So leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. And comment down below a game idea you might want to see. And I will play the game, like, for sure. If it's appropriate, I'll play it. So comment down below a game idea and leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. And bye, guys.